Don't panic, you've got this. Take a minute, watch this, and go get the shot. Graduate stands one step above the parents, all three facing camera. Shoot from below to make the steps look grand. Ask everyone to stand tall and proud. Have them walk arm in arm toward you, nice and slow. Shoot from about 20 feet ahead at eye level. The green canopy above frames the whole family perfectly. Seat the graduate between the parents on the bench. Everyone leans in slightly toward the middle. Shoot from slightly to the side for depth. Keep it casual, not stiff. Have parents hold the diploma open between them while the graduate stands behind, arms around both, grinning. Shoot tight so the diploma text and all three faces are in frame. All three lean on the railing, side by side, looking toward you. Position yourself low so the railing leads the eye to the family. Morning light is softest here. Stand them at the corner and tell a funny story to get genuine laughs. Shoot from across the street to keep the brick texture as the full background. Candid beats posed every time. On your count, Mum kisses the graduate's cheek and Dad wraps a big arm hug at the same time. Tell the graduate to just react naturally. One shot, that is all you need. Position the family at the railing facing the water, not the camera. Stand to the side and shoot their profile. The water and skyline become the backdrop. They do not need to look at you. Shoot from outside the arch as the family walks through toward you. The arch creates a perfect natural frame. Use whatever light is coming through. Do not use flash. Three-way hug facing you with the city behind them. Shoot at the same level as their shoulders. Ask them to hold the hug for a full 5 seconds. The best moment happens in second 3. You rock. Now go get it done.